Hi everyone, this is Marjorie, Keto and Coffee with Marjorie. I've been off of here for a while, and as you can see, we're in the car. So this is like a little rolling. It's not really a rolling rant. It's just kind of a little. Well, I'm having a hard time keeping us both in the video. There we go. The reason I haven't been on here is because, as you know, at the beginning of summer, we lost our old dog Zeppy, who we had for 13 years. And then a few days ago, how long now? Well, my birthday was Tuesday. No, my birthday was Monday. And my daughters came and took me out to lunch. And then Tuesday morning, I realized when I took my little sweet old yellow lab out to go bathroom and to get up and walk at all, that she just started falling down. Well, she's been falling down for a good while and unable to get up. So everybody around the house and all the neighbors and everybody that's seen her knew it was time, but I just have a real hard time making those calls, especially since we lost the other guy. I'm trying not to cry. So anyway, as you can tell by where this is leading, we had to put little Moochie. Her name was Micah. She was a rescue from Taiwan. She was 6 years old when we got her, so she was 11, and we had to say goodbye to her. It was very peaceful. I'm glad we did it because I think I really went too far past. I
She was in pain.
Couldn't handle seeing her in pain. So anyway, but that's all I'm going to say about that, because I can tell this is going down the rabbit hole fast. So, and the rock star of the show, everybody always wants to know. Hello, Dan. By the way, he's wearing his Veterans Day hat. Let me see if I can.
Vietnam veterans.
I can't even get it in there. Let's see. There it is. Vietnam veteran. He's driving. I'm trying not to block him.
Yeah, please don't drive it down the hill.
Whoa, I am so sorry for wiggling this around so much. Anyway, Dan, how you doing on keto?
It's been 4 weeks now, and I've lost 13 pounds.
Woohoo! 13 pounds! And how you feeling on keto?
Feel real good. I'm sleeping better, much better, because Marjorie will attest to the fact that I used to have a real hard time getting to sleep and staying asleep, so I'm sleeping a lot better now. And there's times when my energy level is a little bit down, but overall I feel real good.
What are you doing regularly? Are you taking your magnesium, potassium?
Oh yeah, I take Palms, and yeah, I drink that literally every day. I'm still working out at least 1 to 2 times a week, but I'm not working out as hard as I was before.
What'd you do to work out yesterday? How many steps you get in?
95, almost 10,000, because I worked on the ramp crew at Palm Springs Air Museum yesterday, so I got plenty of steps in yesterday. I didn't gain any weight, but I didn't lose any weight over the last. I only weigh myself about two times, a couple times a week.
And as all of us keto veterans know, it's not about whether you lose weight consistently, it's whether you just keep eventually going down a little lower, and don't gain it all back. It's okay to gain a pound or two, and just don't quit. Just stay on, and then you'll have another little drop, and that's how keto works. So anyway, I'll make this a short one. We're going down the hill. We live in the mountains. We're going down the hill to go try to get some Christmas decor before it's sold out. I'm looking for woodland creatures because I'm doing a woodland theme for my little rustic house this year. And I'm trying to get it all decorated for Christmas because Dan's birthday party, his 70th birthday party, is December 2nd. And the theme is going to be lumberjack, as usual, my red and black decor for the winter. So I'm, like I said, doing a woodland theme Christmas tree. And I will show you what I'm doing as I go along. I'm going to try and be back now. I know I've had several of my sweet YouTube followers that have been saying, "Where are you? Are you okay?" And I just wanted to let you know, Dan didn't kill me in a rage of, you know, uncontrollable passion because he was so starving on keto. By the way, have you been hungry, Dan?
No, I haven't been hungry at all.
Who knew? Mr. Breadman.
Yeah.
The guy that thought, and am I making you lots of keto-fied food?
No.
No, in fact, Dan's back being the chef. He's really good at sausages and bacon and eggs. And so anyway, salads, barbecue. So I'm going to let this go now. If anybody's still listening, that's the end of this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new here, comment and subscribe and ring the little bell. And we'll see you again soon. Bye now.